Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to schedule a recorded voice message on Telegram using the latest update. This is perfect if you want to send a voice note at a specific time without having to remember later. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app and head over to the chat where you want to send the scheduled recording. This can be a private chat, a group, or even a channel where you have permission to send messages. Next, look at the bottom right corner near the message box. You'll see the microphone icon. Tap on it once, then slide your finger upward to lock the recording. This allows you to record hands-free without holding the button the entire time. Now go ahead and record your message. Take your time and say everything you need. Once you're done, tap the pause button so you can review or finalize your recording before sending it. After that, press and hold the send button instead of tapping it normally. This is the key step that unlocks more options. A small menu will appear. From here, tap on Schedule Message. This lets you choose exactly when your voice message will be delivered. Now, select the date and time you want your recording to be sent. You can schedule it minutes, hours, or even days in advance, depending on your needs. Once you've set your preferred time, confirm it, and your voice message will be scheduled instantly. Telegram will automatically send it at the exact time you selected, even if you're offline, and that's it. You've successfully scheduled a voice message on Telegram. This feature is incredibly useful for reminders, business communication, or just staying organized with your messages. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick tutorials like this.